Hi everybody! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Modbus server in JasperNode. In some applications, you might need to use a HMI. And traditional way to get HMI communicate to your PLC is Modbus TCP protocol. To enable this, in JasperNode, you just need to create a simple Modbus server. There are two ways how you can do this. The graphical with basic configuration and setup, server. Here we have a couple examples and you can add more. But the easier way is to use AI assistant. What we're going to do, we're going to ask AI to serve this HMI example folder over Modbus TCP. So let's go ahead and try. So here, I'm going to create new chat and I'm going to ask AI assistants to create a Modbus server to serve all tags in the HMI example folder. So what AI is going to do is going to understand where the tags and what the type of the tags. It found, of course, the folder, HMI example. Now it's checking the documentation for the connector, and now it's creating a new Modbus server connector. Once it's done, it's going to provide you a quick summary, and we can see some default values, a port and host. And also, it took the values and decided to use as a 32-bit floats input registers. So we always can correct this and ask to set it as a holding register. But for this example, we just leave it as is. Close this and go with Modbus server settings and see the entire configuration here in graphical interface. What we're going to do now use Node-RED to, let's say, read our register 6, which represents a second. In Node-RED, I'm going to add Modbus read. In Modbus read node, I'm going to select read input register, address 6, quantity 1. Let's say do it every second. And we have to create a server. From the configuration in JasperNode, remember the host is localhost and port is 502. We just click add, done. Now to see the values from that Modbus read node, we're going to add debug node, connect together and press deploy. As you can see, it's not connected. By default, every single connector is disabled. Let's go ahead and enable it. Once enabled, we go back to the Node-RED and you can see it's connected and reading the data. That's it. That's how simple it's to create a Modbus server using AI assistant. Bye.